Good morning, my dear learners. I hope that you are doing well. So welcome to my channel, the ones who are new. So today lesson is comparative of adverbs and adjectives. Let's start with the first example. The first one, she is taller than him. The adjective here is taller. Okay? The first thing that you need to look to is if your adjective is it long or short adjective. So in this case it is short adjective. We added er. Okay? Look here. We have tall, we added er to say that she is taller than him. This is the first case. Then we have this painting is more beautiful than that painting. The adjective here is, you know what does it mean, painting? It means in Arabic لوحة is more beautiful than that painting. Here the adjective is beautiful and it is of course long adjective. Whenever you have a long adjective you have to add more. D'accord? نزيدو more because it is long adjective. But if it is short adjective we add only er. Okay? At the end of this short adjective we add er. While when we have long adjective we add more before the adjective. And these two ones they work with comparison of superiority. Then our school is as noisy as the hospital. You know what does it mean, the word school? Noisy, it means ضجيج. As what? As the hospital. So here it means that both of them they are noisy, the school and the hospital. So we used as. And the adjective here is noisy. Noisy here it is short adjective. But we can also have here long adjective. It can be long as it can be short. Okay? And in this case when you have as we call it comparison of comparison of equality. Then the fourth one, silver is less expensive than gold. Silver means فضة. Expensive الغلاء. Gold ذهب. So silver is less expensive than gold. It means less أقل. Then here we used, so here the adjective expensive. Is it short or long? It is long adjective. And we used less in order to say that silver is less expensive than gold. And here when we use always this one less, it is comparison of inferiority. And here is the rule. We have the first one, comparison of superiority. We have short adjective plus er plus than. Then we have more plus long adjective plus than. Then we have comparison of equality. Whenever we have two equal things, we have as, short or long adjective plus as. Then we have comparison of inferiority. We have less adjective, long, short, than. So we have three types of comparison. Superiority, that is on the top. Equality, so when two things they are equal or they have the same value. Then we have comparison of inferiority. Now I gave them a worksheet to my learners and we're going to see its answer. For task 1, I asked them to complete the sentences with correct comparative form of adjectives in brackets. Let's start with the first one. An elephant is strong a kangaroo? The answer is an elephant is stronger than the kangaroo because the adjective strong here is short adjective. You know that the elephant is big and strong than the kangaroo, which is a small animal. Then we have second one, our school. We have the adjective noisy and hospital. Here it depends on the speaker. Maybe here the speaker wants to say that their school is noisy as the hospital. So here we use equality. So our school is as noisy as a hospital. Then we have here silver is less expensive. The adjective is expensive than gold. So the answer is something logical that فضة أقل من الذهب in how do we call it? In value, and even when you pay money. So silver is less expensive than gold. Then we have yesterday was hotter than today. Here hot is short adjective. Look here, we did hotter, we double T because whenever you have consonant, vowel and consonant, when you want to add ER, you have to double the final consonant. So here we double T, hotter than today. Then we have handball is more popular than football. Here the adjective is popular. We put more because it is long adjective, and also we can use less. It depends on the speaker attention. Then we have the test of science was the adjective easy, the one of physics. So here the adjective, since it is short adjective, we're going to say easier. Y is going to be changed to E. We change it to E and add ER, so was easier than the one of physics. Then the book is the adjective good, the movie. You know that we have irregular adjectives. For example, good, it will be better. So we have the book is better than the movie. My hair is, we have the adjective long, yours. Here you have to decide, as I said before, if it is long or short adjective. So long, I said that whenever you have 5 letters in a word, count it as short. Whenever you have more, count it as long adjective. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is short adjective. You're going to say, my hair is longer than yours. Then the 9th one, Maya is the adjective old than Joe. It is something clear that it is short adjective. We're going to say Maya is older than Joe. Then Maya is the adjective tall than Salim. Since it is short adjective, we're going to say taller than Salim. Okay? Then let's move on to task 2. Find the mistake and correct it. You know what does it mean, the word mistake? Find. Mistake, الخطأ. And you have to correct it. Joe is better student than Celia. Here, Joe is a bad normally. Here, we directly did the comparison form of bad. But bad it is irregular adjective. It changed completely. It will be Joe is worse than Celia because we don't have a noun with the adjective bad. You know that in the rule we have, look here, we have short adjective plus er directly then we have more directly long adjective plus then. We don't have anything with the adjective here. So here we're going to omit the word student. Then say, Joe is worse than Celia. Then Mina is fatter than Joe. Here I told you before that whenever you have consonant, vowel, and consonant before adding AR, we're going to double T. So it will be fatter. We double T here. Then we have 3. Amina is more nice than Joe. Here, more nice. Decide nice if it is long or short adjective. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is short adjective. And we know that with short adjective we add ER. We do not add more. So it will be nicer. We omit more and add ER. Then Joe's pants are shorts, Maya's. Here the adjective is short. We're going to say Joe's pants are shorter than Maya's. Then English is difficult than French. Here it depends on the speaker. You know that difficult is long adjective. Whether we're going to say more difficult than French or English is less difficult than French. Okay? So that was all for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next session.